This is Nurcan Akaltun's work.
What is the matter with him? He has got a temperature. What is the matter with her? She has got a headache. What is the matter with him? He has got a toothache. What is the matter with her? She has got a cold. What is the matter with you? I have got a cough. What is the matter with her? She has got a backache. What is the matter with you? I have got a sore throat. What is the matter with him? He has got a stomach ache. What is the matter with them? They have got mumps. What is the matter with you? I have got a pain in my leg. What is the matter with them? They have got measles. What is the matter with them? They have got chicken pox. Brad has got a high temperature. He rest in bed. Should, shouldn't. Mary has got a broken leg. She stay at home. Should, shouldn't. Alistair has got a sore throat. He drink cold water. Should, shouldn't. Jane has got a toothache. She go to the dentist. Should, shouldn't. Donald has got flu. He go to school. Should, shouldn't. Frank has got a headache. He see a doctor. Should, shouldn't. Julie has got a stomach ache. She eat some soup. Should, shouldn't. You have got a temperature. You have a warm shower. Should, shouldn't. Brian has got tooth decay. He eat too much chocolate. Should, shouldn't. Their sons have got sore throats. They go to school today. Should, shouldn't. Derek has got a backache. He lift heavy things. Should, shouldn't. Pamela has got flu. She have fresh orange juice. Should, shouldn't. Henry has got a cough. He see a doctor and take cough syrup. Should, shouldn't. I don't feel well. I stay up late. Should, shouldn't.
This is Nurcan Akaltun's work.